In this video, we will show how to replace the screen on an iPhone 6 Plus. Remove the two pentalobe screws on the bottom of the phone. We would normally remove the screen with a suction cup. However, our screen is so cracked that it is not possible. We will use a small screwdriver or something similar to begin prying the screen from the phone case. There are two metal covers that will have to be removed. Remove the screws and the first metal cover. Disconnect the battery cable. Remove the second metal cover. Disconnect the cables connected to the screen. Connect the cables from the screen to the phone. Reinstall the cover and screws. Reconnect the battery cable and install the cover and screws over it. Close the phone and apply pressure evenly around the screen so it adheres to the case. Reinstall the two pentalobe screws into the bottom of the phone.